Hello and welcome, beautiful souls. I'm Cheryl V.
And I'm Anita A. And we are so delighted that you have found your way right here.
Perfect that you're watching this. You know why? Chances are you're feeling called to pause, recharge, give something back to yourself.
Well, you're at the right place because her Inspired Journey Women's Wellness Weekend, it's more than an event. It really is a weekend that has been specifically designed and curated to support you. It is devoted entirely
Mhm.
to you.
It's a time to restore your body, to nurture your mind, and reconnect with the woman you are within all those roles and responsibilities that you already carry. And may I add, you carry them beautifully.
As women, we're always, the many hats we
Oh,
wear,
right,
over
exactly.
the course of the weekend, September 13th and 14th, right here,
Mm-hmm.
Red Deer, Alberta, you're going to get to choose from inspiring workshops that are
Mm-hmm.
designed to support your personal growth, your wellness, and create more joy in your life.
We'll also share some nourishing lunches together so you can simply relax and enjoy without any stress. We're going to do our best to create a calm, nurturing environment for you.
I love it when somebody else cooks.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. And you'll also be connecting with some of our wonderful vendors who are artisans. They offer
Mm-hmm.
treasures that you may not find anywhere else. And I mean, some women, I don't know about you, love to shop occasionally.
We're not going to point out anybody.
Hmm.
We know a few.
We know a few. The speakers are going to offer proven tools and systems that really are there to support your wellness journey
Mm-hmm.
and bring everything back into this beautiful little bow. I mean, you're just going to feel so loved being in that space.
This weekend, we want to be very clear, isn't about fixing yourself. It's not. It is about remembering your wholeness and celebrating who you already are. We've all gone through stuff in our lives. I'd use a different S word, but we won't.
We all have a story.
We all do.
And it doesn't matter what it is. You're
Mhm.
going to find encouragement, inspiration, and genuine connection with other women that are walking their journeys. And perhaps you may connect with someone who has walked or is walking a similar journey to
We've
yours.
seen that happen over the last couple of years, haven't we?
Yep.
And together, we'll create a space where you can exhale. I want everybody to take a deep breath and let it out right now. But in this space, we want you to feel like you've been seen. And we want you to leave feeling lighter, more joyful, and deeply connected to yourself.
So consider this your personal invitation to join Cheryl and I for her Inspired Journey Women's Wellness Weekend, September 13th and 14th in Red Deer, Alberta at the Harvest Center, West Inner Park.
Not to add any pressure. However, spaces are really limited. So if your heart is saying yes, then trust it. We would love to welcome you because you know what? This is your time. Come join us.
We look forward to getting to meet you and to share this beautiful weekend with you.